Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to do another Titan close-up face. And in this one, I want to show you guys how to draw Shin Godzilla in the second form. Now, to begin with this, we're going to start with the eye. And his eye is pretty big, a lot bigger than most of the Titans that we draw. So we're going to start off by making a nice circle in about the middle of our paper, maybe just a little bit higher. Then we're going to make a little pupil in here that's kind of pointing up. And then I'm going to add a little circle in here, and I'm just going to color in the rest of this black. And we'll go right around the pupil there. Now, starting here, we're just going to make a little curved line underneath the eye, and I'll make a little curved line above the eye. We're going to start here and make just kind of like a little bumpy line right around it. Then right underneath it, we're going to make a nice big line that kind of curves down. And then another one that kind of curves here. You want to start over here and draw a little line that's just going to go right to about here. And then we're just going to make some long kind of bumpy lines. Little line that stretches out to here. We're going to make a line that just kind of goes up and down, and then a couple more. Draw a little line that's just going to curve down. Little line that just kind of goes out and around. And then we're just going to kind of go down, and we're going to run right into this line. Then I'm going to make another one right here. It's going to kind of curve up to here. And then one that just kind of curves around to here. We're going to make this line a little bit longer. A little line that kind of curves around. And I'm just going to kind of color this in. A little line right here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a little long broken line that's just going to go out to here. I'm going to kind of curve this up and in. And then I'm just going to add lots of little kind of like texture lines all over. And then I'm going to add a really long line right there. Now, this form of Shin Godzilla, he does have a lot of teeth. Not quite as many as the adult form, but he still has a bunch. And they're just going to be kind of really jagged and kind of going everywhere. So we're just going to add lots of these teeth into here. When I get to here, though, before I add those teeth, I'm going to make a line that goes out and comes down, kind of like his gums are sticking out. And then these teeth are kind of curved back a little bit. So we're just going to add some more different size ones. Draw some little lines that go down to here. And then just some more little lines here for some more teeth. Then we're just going to make some little lines kind of coming up and down here, just to kind of show where his jaw is kind of like forming. Going to add some little texture lines in here. Add a couple of little curved lines around here just for some details. And then some little lines here. And then some more little lines around here. Little line that goes down and up here, and then a little line that curves around here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down and kind of curves up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and it's going to kind of curve in. Another one's going to go out, kind of curve around here. Another one here, and another one right here. We're going to add just a small little detail line around each one, just to kind of show where like these little gills are. And then it's going to be hard to fit them all in, but there's going to be lots of little lines all along here. And the trick is just to kind of make them quick, make different sizes, make some long, some short. Don't get into doing a pattern or else it won't look right. We can also put some coming from the bottom too. And just kind of fill them up in there. All over the place. I'm going to add just kind of like a little bit of like a spiky line here. I like to kind of start above where I end, just to kind of start some of the spikes. I'll actually kind of put some up here a little bit higher. And then I want to kind of start a few of his spikes. Now his spikes are a little bit crazier, his dorsal fins, whatever you want to call them. And I'm just going to kind of start by making a few big ones. And I'll start another one here. I'm just going to kind of put them all over the place, kind of make them go behind each other. They do start to get kind of tall out here. They mostly kind of stick in like a 3 or 4 point pattern. Put a couple more over here. And maybe one right up there. And that's about all the spikes we need to do. And then I do like to come in and just kind of add some quick little broken lines kind of all around here. Just for some little details and everything. Then I'm just going to make some quick little lines right around here for some wrinkles. And just lots of broken lines. He has so much texture and detail on him. So we're just going to kind of throw in some different lines here. Add some more little lines here. I might make a couple more kind of lines here just to show where some of those gills are, since they're on both sides. Now we just want to kind of come in and add some different details onto the head. He does have a lot of detail on him, so we don't have to put everything in here. Just going to add some little lines here. Just try to get in, you know, as much as you can. We're just going to add some curved lines here, just so show like some little indentations in his skin. Add some little lines kind of right around the mouth and everything. Some little details all over here. Kind of put some things just right around here. Just little details all over. And then just kind of fill it in with lots of little extra dots and things everywhere. There's no right or wrong way how to put in the details. Just make sure you add lots of it kind of around here. Fill it in. You know, you guys can kind of do it however you want to. Just kind of fill in all the different spaces, just to kind of add lots of different texture and stuff. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Shin Godzilla in the second form, a close-up of his face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.